Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to shade eye. In previous video I have taught you how to draw the outline. I think you should watch that video first and after that you can start with this video. I have put that video link in the description box. You can check that out. And let's start with our tutorial. I am starting with the HB pencil for base coat and always move the pencil in one direction, or you can move it in circular motion so that you will not create any harsh line, and blending it with the cotton. And for second layer I'm using HB pencil and blending it again and adding highlights with a small eraser and blending it so that it will create a smooth transition between the highlight and the shaded area. For detail I'm using 5B pencil. After detailing I'm using 2B for more darker shades, blending it with a paper stump. Again I'm using 5B pencil for detail that has been faded out by blending. For lighter detail I'm using 4B pencil. And for iris I'm using 10B pencil. 8B pencil for eyelashes, and eyelashes here I'm using 5B and 2B. Always remember to sharp the pencil when you are doing any hair drawing. Here's our eye is complete. Now for eyebrow. In eyebrow start with a base layer of HB or 2B. Here I'm using 2B pencil for base layer and blending it down. And you should always erase the harsh line that you have created during the outline process. Just I'm doing here. Now again I'm using 2B pencil for hair strands in the eyebrow, and always draw the hair in the direction according to the reference. And now I'm using 4B pencil for more darker and detailed hair. And here's our eye is complete. Eye and eyebrow is complete. In next video I'm going to teach you how to shade the nose. Okay guys, see you in the next video.